Hey friends, hope you're having a great day so far. I wanted to share with you our sound tub for the letter D. The reason it's called a sound tub is because everything inside of this tub starts with the sound D, D, D. We have a capital D and a lowercase d, and D makes the sound D, D, D. Can you say that sound with me? D, D, D. Let's take a look and see what is inside. All right, let's see here. Ooh, does anyone know what this is called? Wow. Remember, it starts like D, D, D. A dinosaur. Who knows what kind of dinosaur this is? I believe this is called a T-Rex. Dinosaur. Very cool. Ooh, there's two words for this that start like D. A lot of times, these are used as fire dogs. Fire dogs at the firehouse. Does anyone know what kind of dog it is? It's called a Dalmatian. Has anyone seen the movie 101 Dalmatians? That's a good one. Awesome. Oh, here's an instrument. Does anyone know what it's called? Drum. Good job, friends. Oh, here's an animal that lives in the ocean and it swims around. Sometimes they jump up out of the water. This is called a dolphin. Lots of animals that start like the letter D today. Let's see. Oh, does anyone have one of these that they play with in the bathtub? A duck. Awesome, a rubber ducky. Oh, this is a good treat that you might like to eat, sometimes for breakfast, for a special occasion. Donuts. Awesome. Oh, I have my capital letter D and my lowercase letter D. Whoops, what is Mrs. Giffen doing here? Capital D and lowercase d. Here's a game that you might have played before with your family. This is called a domino. Domino. And last but not least, this is something that you might use in a game. You roll it to see what number you're going to get. This is called a die. All right. Well, friends, I hope that you have enjoyed our sound tub for the letter D and all of these things that start like D. Hopefully this can help you out with your letter D collage and looking around for things or pictures of things in your house. Have a great day.